You know, more and more we hear about the importance of empathy as an important corporate value. But what we're seeing from some of the most prestigious companies now is that empathy is not just a trendy new soft skill, it's a critical bottom line imperative. Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Daily Dispatch. Today it's Sunday here in New Jersey, and we're going to do something a little bit different. I wanted to change it up a little bit. During the week, I typically share my thoughts and insights on how organizations can turn constant change into a strategic advantage. But I spend a lot of time reading and looking at other people's work, and there's so much good stuff out there. What I wanted to do is share a little something with you that I think I was really impressed by, and that was the latest article, or the latest issue, I should say, of Fast Company came out. The cover story on Satya Nadella, who's the new CEO, relatively new CEO of Microsoft. And one of the things that they emphasize in the article, and Nadella talks about it a great deal, is the importance of empathy. In fact, what he says is he believes human beings are wired to have empathy, and that's essential not only for creating harmony at work, but also making products that will resonate. And I can speak to this from personal experience because I recently purchased a new laptop computer, and it's a Microsoft Surface Pro. Now, I did not read the article before then. This was I purchased the computer first, but the reason I bought the computer is I did, my due diligence and looked around, and the Surface line of computers were getting extraordinary reviews. And then I talked most importantly for me, I talked to a couple friends who had both purchased them recently, and they were raving. And a friend of mine said that he bought a Surface Pro a year ago, and it's his favorite computer that he's ever owned. And I thought, well, that's pretty impressive. And I got to tell you, I bought this computer, and it's an extraordinary computer. It feels like one of those Apple products that just sort of are so like intuitive and flow with you, and I'm seeing the same thing there. And one of the things that's really impressive is I really can see the connection that they're talking about, that Nadella's talking about in the article, about the importance of empathy. And the cool thing is that the article goes on to talk about that this has had a major impact on the bottom line. It says Nadella's not only restored Microsoft to relevance, he's generated more than $250 billion in market value in just 3.5 years. That's more growth than Uber, Airbnb, Netflix, Spotify, Snapchat, and WeWork combined. Actually, Microsoft's earning value now is higher than it was during its .com, heyday. So I really wanted to just kind of come on, share this, really advocate. Please check out the article. You won't be sorry. And to also say that empathy is something I'm going to be talking about more and more over the coming days and weeks. It's a cornerstone of my anchors and sales framework. And I think that this article in Fast Company is just a testament to how important it is, and how that shift in mindset is critical to ensure relevance and success. See y'all later. Take care. Have a great weekend.